How do you check your Facebook page status? Whether it is restricted or you have any issue with the Facebook page, you want to know what happened and how to appear and things like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check if your Facebook page is really restricted. So without further ado, let me jump into my computer and let me show you how you can do it. Let's go. Alright, as usual, go to your Facebook in your computer, go to top right, click on it, switch into the page that you want to go to. For example, my own page, Ken Ang. So let's go into it. So once you're there, you go to top right again, click on it, go to settings and privacy, click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. After that, you go all the way to page setup here. And you can see there's page status, view page restriction, and review community standard and policies. Now, sometimes you receive a lot of spam message, especially when you run Facebook ads. They will tell you that, oh, you need to check you need to click on this link or your page will get deleted and things like that. Don't worry, don't be scared. This is where you check it. Okay, go to page status, click on view, and then you can see that there's no community standard violation, there's no issues, there's no violation, so there's more things that you can study as well. Community standards, for example, things that you cannot simply post and things like that. Okay, you can click here, no restriction, so there's nothing here. And you can see the page is recommendable, which is good. And then you can see the restriction monetization if there is. So for me, I have no account restriction. But let me show you a page where there's account restriction. Okay, so now this is a page where there is an issue with the page. So you can see that there's restriction. So you can see it's restricted because it didn't follow community standard and it's at the risk of being unpublished. Now this, when you see this, is worrying. So you click on it and then they will go to support, and this is where you will do your report and things like that. Okay, this is something that you need to check and make sure if there's an issue, solve it. I have another page which have restrictions. Let me show it to you. So now this is another page where there's some restriction in terms of the content. As you can see, there's a shared piece of content. So this might be someone hacked into this account or things like that. I'm not so sure. Okay, because I'm not managing this account anymore, but it is just in my list. So as you can see, this page have some restriction. So it'll be safe for you to take action, maybe to review this or to delete the post, just to make sure that your page is compliant with the community standards. So that is how you check your page status to make sure there's no restriction, whether this page is okay, there's no deletion, no scheduled deletion. This is the place where you check it. Okay, if you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I see you next time. Goodbye.